The reason some of you are not actually earning when it comes to selling digital products is because you are actually selling the wrong product. And I'm going to show you why you are selling the wrong product, because the more people are looking for your product, the more money you will make. There is a high chance for someone that have a hot product that people are actively searching for someone that build product that people are not looking for, to make more money. All right. So in this video, I'm going to break down 10 high products that people are actively searching for, and I'm going to tell you the reason why they are looking for it, and how, going to give you. This is not a tutorial. All right. If you want a tutorial, just comment tutorial, subscribe to my channel, and I'm going to help you how to create each of the tutorial and how to make it for yourself, and you can start selling. So without wasting our time, let me get to the number one. So the number one on my list is mini course. So you can see here. So what is mini course? Mini course is where you gather small knowledge, and you offer it as a course, and you sell it at a very low price, not the one that you can sell in $100. So you can sell it $5, you can sell it $10, you can sell it $20. So you gather knowledge from somewhere, and then you create it, and then you offer it, and then you make a sales. So number two hot cake I have on my list is Google Sheets template. Now this is very good because a lot of people are looking for a way to organize their tracking, to track their database, to track their income, to track their outcome, to track their expenses, and a lot of people are actively looking for a way to get this done, to find themselves organized in whatever they are doing, and that is why Google Sheets is actually needed. That takes me to our third product, which is Canva templates. Now Canva template is one of the easiest way to do, and then one of the powerful way to make money online when it comes to selling digital products. And this is it. You make a template, you make your design, maybe a carousel post on Instagram, maybe a particular post about marketing, maybe a particular post about ad. So, and you offer to sell them in bulk. All right. And there are people that don't have idea how this thing work, and they don't want to pay a designer actually. So they want to edit the one that you create. They want to add their name, they want to add their details, they want to change the name, they want to they want to just add a little things, and they reshare it, and they export it and download it, and continue posting their things. So they don't want stress for their life. So they are the one that will come and buy this your Canva template, and it's a very hot cake product that you can actually sell online. And the fourth one on my list that I'm going to tell you in this video is what we call ebook. Now ebook are very viral, so everybody has known about ebook, but I can tell you the way the ebook is in the market is because ebook is actually selling. Now that I'm talking about ebook, I don't say you should go and sell ebook that contain at least 100 of pages. Okay, so you can actually sell a 20 pages ebook. You can actually any niche that you want. You can choose a finance niche, you can choose a medicine niche, you can choose a self-mastery, you can choose a wealth, you can choose a health, you can choose any niche, and you create. If you have no idea how to do this, you can just go to ChatGPT, and that is going to help you out. We have Claude, we have Gemini, we have all these tools that can help you out in terms of getting ideas of what you can create ebook about. All right. And that gets me to the 51. And the 51 that I'm about to talk about is logo design. I know you are not a graphic designer. Just hold on. You are not a graphic design perfect. Okay. So this is a service of someone as a graphic design. But actually on Canva, you can actually make a logo design, and you can help people that are looking for a way to make that same logo design, to that don't want to stress themselves as well. It is called pre-made logo. You made it for someone that want to make logo for their brand, for that whatever, and they come there, they look for it. Oh, this is good, and they can edit it for their own. And you can be, if you're a graphic designer, you can start selling it. You look for a way to get a contact of a buyers, and you start making something for them. And that drives me to our sixth product, which is membership. Now this is very common among the creator. This is not for any other person. Actually, this is very common. It is only creator that have group of people that are called membership that are actually doing this. You need to be in a certain authority in order to build a membership. Okay. Another one I want to talk about is called Notion templates, and that this Notion template is also a powerful one. It is only those who are using Notion understand how this thing work, and the Notion creator. So if you know how to create a Notion, you can start creating Notion template, and you can selling it. Those who want to edit will come and edit, and those who want to use it will use it. So, and another thing I want to talk about is a printable wall art. This one can be a design of wall art. It can be on a PDF. Your customer can download it and then print it on whatever they want to print it. So you can just print a little art, and you just export it. You save it on your website or on Gumroad or on ST, to any platform you wish that you want to be selling this from, so you can start selling this by yourself. And number 9 product on our list is called printable activity bundle. This is where we have a lot of activity on a special workbook that you can sell. You made the workbook and the people are going to buy it and they are using it for their own personal activity. Maybe you want to do this, you want to do that, they can write it there and then they are good to go. You can sell the bundle of 10 bundle, you can sell 100 bundle, you can sell 20 bundle, you can sell any bundle you like. And the last one I'm going to talk about is called SaaS or web app. So this one is basically you use AI to build a particular website and you sell it, okay? Or you use AI to do a particular task and you go to those who need it and you offer it to them and they can actually buy it from you. So if you find the video very helpful, kindly like, comment, and subscribe. And as always, I will see you in my next video.